Hello, beautiful people.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn.
I know it's been literally forever since you guys have seen me in the bathroom.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Her.
We haven't done a real hair video in a minute, but as you guys know, I do have small boho knotless braids in down to damn near my thighs. And I figured, since I am getting 1,000,001 questions on my hair, that I should just do a quick styling video and show you guys a couple different ways how I would wear these boho braids, because this is how I've been wearing it to work. This is how I wore it to work today. I literally just got off a little while ago. And yeah, I said I'm gonna just make a video and show you guys, because I've been getting like 1,000,001 questions on these braids. Like when I say I've been getting 1,000,001 questions, I've literally been getting 1,000,001 questions, whether it's who did it, where I got the boho pieces from, how much was it, literally mad questions outside of all the compliments that I've been getting as well. Like when I say this hairstyle has been growing on me, it's definitely been growing on me. But the hairstyle that I wore to work, so that way we're not talking too long and we getting straight into it, I just took a couple of braids from the front, pulled them back to the back, and literally tied it in a knot like this. And tightened it a little bit. Then I just pulled whatever extra pieces are attached to my edges, because I don't want it pulling on my edges too hard. And this is literally how I've been wearing it to work. If I'm not wearing it like this, like I love this hairstyle. It's such a easy hairstyle to do things with. The one thing I did notice with this hair though, because it's only been 2 weeks, the hair that I use for the boho hair, the Janet hair, it is human hair, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna try and wand curl a few pieces when I do my photo shoot or when I go out, so that way it looks more fresh. But the one thing I did notice is it does tangle, but it's like, I feel like personally, with me being the hair queen that I am, even if you got version hair or bundle hair to put for your boho, I feel like it would still tangle anyway because of the fact that it's hanging from braids. So you know, when you put your hair in a bonnet and you do all of that, it's gonna tangle up. But it's like, let me see if I can get an up close shot of my hair. The lighting in my bathroom is not the greatest. I don't want to bring my ring light in here because I feel like I'll be doing too much, but let me see if I can get a shot for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Because the braids are definitely still good, but the curly pieces, they do tangle a little bit. But like I was saying, I feel like that would happen regardless whether you got bundle boho hair or if you just got the regular pack human hair like I did from Janet, which was cheaper anyway. But yeah, that's the only thing that I noticed. So next time I get them, I probably will tell her on the first 2 bottom rows, don't put any boho pieces because they do tangle more in the back. Especially because I got these shits literally long as fuck. But yeah, outside of just tying it in that knot in the back, I do also just take some pieces sometimes. When I first got my hair done, like y'all seen in the video, I was wearing it to the side like this. I don't know, because the side part was just eating the girls up. Like, I got mad compliments. I should have redid my baby hairs first, but I just got over it and I didn't feel like doing all of that. This is the edge control that I do use on my baby hairs. The 24-hour edge tamer. I just got the family size one on Amazon. Make sure you get you some, because look how big this shit is. Like, when I say it's big, it's big. Same consistency, same everything. And it could last you a good minute. Literally family size. But yeah, that's the edge control I use. So I do like putting the hair to the side because I think it just looks mad cute like that, especially if you're going out and you just want to wear it like this. I do still have the bows for my birthday as well, so I'm thinking about like doing a half up, half down, but with the bow in the back. So that was style number 2, calm little flip over. Now for another style.
If I know you're real, how you geeking out your body off a pink pill. I caught your line, tell me and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill.
Just take 2 braids and wrap it around. And this is another style. half up, half down. And like I said, if you're going out and you do get human hair, you could just take the curly pieces and use your wand curler so that way the curls pop just a little bit more. Because I don't even know if y'all can really even see. Let me hold it up so y'all can see. Alright, next time I go, I'm definitely going to get it way fuller. But yeah, this is just another style. Half up, half down, giving very much poetic justice. But yeah, I think I like this one. I'll probably wear my hair like this to work tomorrow. Because that's what I really want to do with this style, just with the braids. Just wear a whole bunch of different styles. And I do want to take some pictures before I take this out because I haven't had braids in so long. So I'm going to go get my makeup done with Abby, of course. You already know the drill. And take some pictures with AJ. But to freshen up the curls every morning, because I know that's probably going to be the next question, how I maintain it. While we go into the next hairstyle, style number 4. How I maintain it every morning is I just put water on my hands and then I run my fingers through it so I can detangle it. Because I don't want to just take a comb to it and just go like this and then end up pulling all the boho hairs out. I've literally only lost, and I saved it too like an idiot, like I'm gonna use it, but I literally only lost this one strand of boho hair since I got my hair done. People always say, oh, this hair be shedding and all of that. I have yet to deal with that. But let's see what other styles. Like that right here is a perfect example. Like you see how it's bunching up and getting knotted up. If you don't know how to do hair though, that shit will irk you every day, because people say this is not a get up and go style, and I've been getting up and just going to work literally all week. Wake up, run my fingers through it, put some water in it. If you want to just use mousse or got to be, I don't want mine to be crunchy or hard, so I prefer not to, but you could just use that and you'll still be good. And you'll be good to go. You don't got to do the most to this hair, literally. The point of getting braids is for it to be a protective, easy style to get up and go. And as I was looking at my parts are crispy, but they're just not as small as I thought they would be. Like, it is small, don't get me wrong, but they're giving like medium parts rather than just small. So you already know you could wear it in a standard bust down. You could wear it in a flip over like I said. You could take some pieces in the front and knot it in the back. And also, I think that's what I'm about to try right now, just so I can see how that look. But when I do it, I want to try the bow and see how that looks real quick. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I just wanted to come real quick and show y'all how I've been styling my hair since I've had it for these past 2 weeks. It's still holding up pretty damn well. Like I said, I am going to do that photo shoot before I take these out. And if I do get them again, I'll more than likely be getting them burgundy. Okay. So instead of using the knot like how I did when I went to work, I'm going to just use my scrunchie, so that way when I put the bow in it, it could just sit on top. So this is how the half up, half down looks real quick. And let me go get a bow. Cause y'all know I love me a girly look. I did get my bows off Amazon. It does have a clip. I know some of them have like, I guess like a scrunchy part to it, but I prefer the clip because y'all know I'm normally ready with my wigs. But I would just wear it like this. Because y'all know I love a girly ass look. I'll probably wear one for my photo shoot because I did order some outfits on, what was it, Shein or Fashion Nova, one of them. I'll show y'all when I do my haul before the smoke session and all of that in my next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, I did get like this pink 2-piece outfit that I really want to take pictures in. It would be more like a calm, casual, everyday type of look. It's more like a Lululemon set, honestly. Spandex stretch set, but it's a tennis skirt because y'all know I'm in my tennis skirt era. But yeah, this is how the bow looks in the back. I like it. Super, super, super cute. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I don't want to drag this video out too long. If I come up with some different styles, or if I see anything that I want to style my hair into, y'all already know I will come back and let y'all know. But this is just a quick video to let y'all know how I maintain my braids, how they've been holding up. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next motherfucking video. And I'm off on Sunday and Monday. Today's Friday. I gotta work tomorrow. But since I'm off, I'll probably do a video, you know, when I first wake up, show y'all the hair, show y'all how I do my baby hairs and all that. Or maybe I'll just do it as a short, because I don't think that deserves its own video. Right now, I'm probably just gonna do these same styles, but in a TikTok video, so I can post it on TikTok. And I'll see you guys later. Oh, shit. I'll see you guys later.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn.